Facing the only admins can send messages issue on WhatsApp? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This problem usually happens in group chats where only admins are allowed to send messages. If you're a member and not an admin, you won't be able to change the setting. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it if you're an admin or need a quick solution. Solution 1. For admins, change the setting. If you're an admin of the said group, follow these steps to allow all participants to send messages. Open WhatsApp, get into the group chat you're getting the error. Tap the group name at the top to access group info. Scroll down and tap group permissions. Make sure to toggle on send messages option to the on position. If it's already toggled on, simply toggle it off. Then toggle it back on to refresh the settings. After that, see if the problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Contact the admin if you're not one. If you're just a group member, then this problem should typically be more common for you. So in such cases, contact an admin of the group and ask them to allow message permission to you. The admin can follow the solution 1 of this video to do that. After that, see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. A backdated app can sometimes cause issues like this. Open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Now make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If there is any update available, simply install it. After updating, your issue should most likely be fixed. That's how you can fix the only admins can send messages issue on WhatsApp. If this video helped, don't forget to like it. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next one.